Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Here am I again at the vending machine. Okay, on top we have the Dodge Power Wagon, the Polizei BMW is all news, Aston Martin Speedster, Fair Lady, AC Cobra. The Blistein Porsche is very nice, gold wheels, Alfa Romeo, Lotus Exige, Ford Focus, another Porsche, Loco Motoring, and this fantasy casting, Ford GT Racing, Moon Eyes, Bone Shaker, Tune Manga, the Mazda Miata Hummer EV Range Rover, which I will buy because it's a Range Rover, even though I already have Chevy, Bel Air, Corvette, Toyota, Baja Blazer, McLaren P1, the Dodge Charger from Fast and Furious, which is very nice. Fair Lady, another Porsche, and below here we have the more expensive ones, even a Mini GT. So I will buy the Range Rover, of course. Should I buy the Fast and Furious? If I buy the Fast and Furious, there is a Volvo behind. Anyway, let's buy the Range Rover first. So thank you for watching. I will retrieve the car now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.